What's going on, everybody? We are 25 seconds before the market opens. AMC is looking freaking juicy pre-markets. We pretty much reversed ourselves and ate up all the midday gains that we lost yesterday. I mean, it was pretty brutal. 58 to 56. We've seen worse. Usually it's always at the same time. I find that very interesting. Three, two, one, here we go. So again, 60 test is here, and they're people taking profits right now. Usually we see a pullback before a rip. Let's see this break 60, man. Come on, right here. This has to be the candle, baby. Send me to 60. Come on. Hey, I heard Doge is coming back, William. What's going on, though? Let's see. Dogecoin is at 27, man. It's going back to $1. Oh, it never hit $1, but it's coming back. Here's that candle that can send us a 60. Come on. 59.11. GameStop once again pulling back. So yesterday we did see that thing we did not want to see, a pullback. Oh, yes. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go to 60, please, Hedgies. Give us a time to close above 60 today. Let us close above 60, man. GameStop, there we go. Following AMC 59.87 high on the 1 minute. We go here on the 4-hour. Oh my God, based off my charts here, this is so close. If we can close above 60 today, this week's gonna be pretty nuts. But again, 60 has been pretty difficult. I think we hit 64 twice before getting dropped. Come on, just continue. Where's that FOMO? $1, yeah. Let's see. Because yesterday, according to Ortex, the SI was increasing to 19%. As of now, live, it is at 19.28. It just went up 0.3%. Interesting. So it's moving up. And I also have eHorse Twitter pulled up here on the left-hand side just to compare the numbers. New high, 60. Oh, 14.4% he has for GameStop, and for AMC has 17.77%. 60.25. That's beautiful. This is nice. I like this. Let's go to 61 now. Let's check Twitter. Hopefully AMC's on there. GameStop trending. 60.33. Why is Californians trending? Oh, there's an earthquake. That's why. I didn't feel it. Oh, wait, never mind. California banned state travel to Florida and 4 other states. What's going on, IE Chicken? 60.40. This is juicy. 60.50. I have my vaccine today. Damn. 60.60. 60.65. 60.66. 68. 70. 74. 76. Take us to 61, baby. This looks like covering. It looks like the last time we hit 72, it was just moving like that. Take us to 61, 60.93. Oh, it's pulling back. Healthy pullback. Let's see how strong that dip is ate up. Look at that 5-minute rip. I'll take that for sure, right, Dustin? How does the Bluetooth signal? And I don't feel it, man. What's going on, Nathan? I think even Tesla was looking pretty good pre-market. Let's take a look at these other stonks. 680. No, it wasn't doing anything pre-market. NASDAQ red, SPY. Still pushing, guys. I can't believe this. Actually, I can. I actually can. There comes AMC with the next continuation after the pullback. Give us a new high. I could see 61 already, baby. Come on. 60.94, 96, 99, 61. ALF is dipping today. Ouch. From 1850 to 17. I've just been watching this one. I haven't really been partaking in any trades on this one. AMC hit 61 flat. Workhorse. Vin Diesel supercharges AMC stock. Funny. Yep, S&P 500 hits record high. Have you guys seen this? There's like different areas across the world that are reporting record highs in the Rona numbers since certain dates, like last year. Like Portugal reported the highest number of COVID cases since February 19. And then we had, what was the other place yesterday? Also reported record-breaking numbers. Come on, AMC, hold yourself above 60. GameStop pulling back, man. 210. I feel like we've seen 210 so many times. United Airlines is trending. I think they put in an order. Yep, United Airlines on Tuesday announced a huge new order with Boeing and Airbus for 270 planes in the biggest bet thus far by a major carrier on travel industry recovery from the Rona 19. Oh, it's pulling back. Okay, we're pulling back. The key here is holding $60. So we hit 61, not too bad. 160K volume for GameStop. Yeah, GameStop's a slower one. MSTR squeeze. Someone tweeted that. MicroStrategy. It's because of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin price is moving up. Does anybody know how much Bitcoin Michael Saylor has? They have a ton of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's like at 36K right now. It makes you regret not buying at 28K, huh? 36.3. Damn. Did you guys hear Kathy Wood from ARK she's gonna create her own Bitcoin ETF? I'm at the dollar store and I gotta say, there's no inflation to be found. Oh man. Just wait till it's rebranded to the $5 tree. My Shiba is finally. Have you guys heard of Tiki Coin? Tiki. Tiki Coin? If someone knows about Tiki Coin here, I'm gonna be surprised. Come on, AMC, what the heck are you doing, buddy? Never heard of this. Grace, I think you brought it up a couple times. Tesla had a huge jump. Nice recovery. I'm pretty sure Nasdaq is bouncing. Yup. Go figure, man. Nasdaq just took a crazy rip up. We were red on Nasdaq, so tech, Apple should be ripping back up. I can't wait for the new iPhone. My iPhone has been really weird. I'm literally convinced that they slow down these iPhones on purpose around this time. Like, I kid you not, my iPhone acts like it's possessed sometimes. It'll start swiping on itself. I don't know what AMC just did right here. I don't know if people took profits or what. Hedgies ass hope. Yes, Ben. Bingo. Tiki is the one that gives you BNB for holding. So if you hold this coin called Tiki, it rewards you with BNB. Depending on how much you invest in it, it rewards you in BNB. So I had a friend who put in a couple thousand, and he was getting like $80 a day just in BNB for holding. And the other day it just completely tanked. The coin was like 2 weeks old. Hey Jordan, I love you, baby. And then this morning I woke up and I was just losing on Tiki. But we were up at a point. Like they paid my buddy like $4,000 in profit just for holding. And I'm like, bro, this is literally a pyramid scheme. It sounds and it looks like a pyramid scheme. And this day, I think it was just crashing. So just be careful with what kind of poop coins you get into, because they could run away with your money, man. All right, AMC's right under 60. Not too bad, not too bad. We broke above 61. We're still in the green. GameStop is down 1.52%. Once again at that 210 level of support. The key for AMC today is to hold 59, man. I do not want to go red first and foremost and give up these gains. Like we're literally on the 4 hour. This is if you take a look at if you Google ABCD chart pattern for stocks and you compare it to this is literally the same thing. You get a first initial run up, that's your high point. You pull back, you find supports, and then the key is higher lows, in which in this case we're seeing here, and then you get the rip. So this is exactly what it looks like. Just Google ABCD textbook chart pattern for stocks, something like that, and you'll see it. I just Googled it. So it's this. Tell me AMC doesn't look like this. Facebook, by the way, hit 1 trillion with a T market cap. They dropped the case on them, I think. They were getting sued or some complaint. They dropped and the stock just shot up. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest to create a Bitcoin ETF under the symbol ARKB. Yeah, Dustin, I was in their Telegram, right? So every little poop coin has like a Telegram. Like I remember Diamond Balls like 2 weeks ago had a Telegram. I went in there and I said I sold and they kicked me right out. I said, hey, I sold for a profit and they just booted me from the chat. And then this time I went in again for the Tiki coin, and then the guys or the developers, whoever was running it, they kept saying, guys, we need new money coming in. Immediately I knew, yo, this is the big red flag. They literally said that. What's going on, Stacks a lot? The Clippers did not disappoint me yesterday. I was about to short the team. Come on, AMC. There's no way. You gotta hold, baby. It needs to hold, man. This was a beautiful run up here. Now it's pulling back to the low 59s. Hmm. Banks are still rising, led by banks. Come on, CNBC. JPM. Oh, JP Morgan hit a new high. Yes. Morgan Stanley went up yesterday after hours. Oh yeah, they raised their dividend, I believe. Shout out to the free money from the Fed. 684 Tesla. AMC hit 58 right now. I don't know how I feel about this, but we're still in the game, baby. Hold these levels. 59. Hmm. You guys know who Tucker Carlson is? You guys hate him? Well, that guy said a whistleblower within the NSA tipped him off that the agency has been spying on his team and is planning to leak communications about a story he's been working on in order to get his show taken off the air. There was that bounce on AMC we're looking for, still holding 59. Not too bad, not too bad. We're right under 60. What was the ticker, guys, that Torchlight went into? Was it A or MMAT? This one, right? Yeah, I don't see momentum there. ALF, what are we doing? Hmm, not interested. Virgin Galactic hit 51. We're talking about $50 yesterday on a potential pullback because on the 4 hour this was looking a little overextended. So watch for a move in the next couple of days on this. It just needs to find support. I don't think it's found support yet. No, you don't. There's no requirements for Tiki. You just gotta own it, and that's it. Come on, AMC. Fast and Furious. Have you guys seen the movie Fast and Furious 9 yet? The Purge comes out this Friday, so I'm excited for that one. Those are all these movies are catalysts, honestly, for AMC. It proves that AMC is not a dead business, like some people thought. I kid you not, every time I drive by AMC, there's a lot of cars. 59 still. It's gonna be a patience game on this one. We didn't necessarily hold above 60, but that's okay. Still green. Let's see, ARC B. Zillow just updated the estimated value of our home. The increase alone is more than we paid for the home and the property combined back in 2019. Up 100% the last 30 days. Jesus. It sucks. Apple new high. Amazon just hit a new high. Facebook very choppy. Netflix, what are we doing? Above 500. Nice. Viacom. There's GameStop's recovery again at 210. I like that. I like that. Nvidia. Upcoming split. When's the split? 720. AMD's ripping 88. There's AMC's recovery 59.66. Let's go. GameStop didn't have the morning rip today. AMC took the volume. Think it'll happen later, or are we looking at sideways day? I don't care if AMC trades sideways above 60, guys. As long as it can hold 60, that's a big win. Every time we've been above 60, it literally just comes down the next day. Whatever it does after that, then that's all extra. But I'd rather have it hold support and just trade at those levels. But first we must creep above 60. Hmm. Let's see Ortex. Still 59. What's today? Tuesday, right? And towards the last day. Tomorrow's definitely going to be volatile, guys. A lot of volatility tomorrow. Instagram is testing ad revenue share with publishers. I can't wait. I mean, literally every day back to back, we've been hitting new highs on SPY. Like every day, it's a headline. Markets are trading higher, new high on the SPY, and oh, damn. What's going on, Kevin? Takes place on July 19, I believe. Yeah, it's at 720 on the Think or Swim thing charts. I'm still waiting for the Amazon split. I don't think I'll ever see it. Some are predicting a crash soon. It's odd that they are higher than ever. Isn't that how it works? So if there's gonna be a pullback or like somewhat of a correction, I think it'll come when they finally start tapering and raising interest rates. That's when. Until then, baby, we move up. Still at 59. On the 5 minute, we're still well above the EMA that's holding this level, such a strong level to hold before the next rip up. Let's see that test at 60 again. Come on, AMC. I can't believe it's already going to be July. Damn, man. So GameStop is doing the same thing. We're at EMA on the 1 minute, and GameStop kind of not trying to hold here. So is AMC gonna do the same thing here and just come down, or is it gonna hold? Because I mean, look at these wicks on these candles. It's not it's not really, ripping up like we would expect. One, two, three, four, five indecisive candles. Same thing. Now we just need some buyers to come in here at this price. Batman Investor tweeted, I think he's covering GameStop as well today. So he said his little vibration model. He said model's predicting strength until about 11:50 a.m. Pacific. Nice. I'll be monitoring that stock closely to see if it's acting properly per tracking model. If so, follow through. Strength this week. Can see price back at 228, which is his vibration zone. 228. So where does that put us? Right around. Yeah, sub 230 is where we have that resistance. 230. So hourly trigger at 213 today, long above. So just let's keep in mind if he's right on his predictions, because for the most part on his AMC predictions a while back, he was pretty much spot on every single call. Moderna says the Rona vaccine shows promise in a lab setting against the variants, including the Delta. There we go, baby. And oh my gosh, AMC, you're pulling back pretty aggressively. I don't want to see sub 59. Don't go red unless you're still up 1.7%. Almost like a triple bottom here at 59. Where are my dip buyers at? Under EMA for sure on the 5. Yeah, 59. Not too bad, not too bad. Damn you, Apple. You can never go wrong with Apple, man. Workhorse. 3%. Nice. Anybody here holding Workhorse? All right, Ortex, are we getting an update or what? Nope, not yet. There we go. 59.50 again. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. So at this price, we're pretty much at pre-market high levels. 59.50, 59.60. We already proved that we can break 60s, although we still haven't necessarily just held there for some time. We're close again. We're close. 59.60s. The other day we were what? 51. Hashimoto has 38% of the float short, a big opportunity to put some pain on the climate haters, and we need support solutions to climate crisis. They're saying this is the next squeeze, 38% short interest. Oh man, it already went from 7 to 17. Hey, I hit 36. Let's pull this up quickly on Ortex. Sick, a quick look. He said what, 38%? Let's see what Ortex is saying. 35.9%. Short interest is up almost a percent. Hmm. There isn't necessarily a lot of volume either. Oh, I need to do some DD on this one for sure. Hmm. See, I don't know how comfortable or how safe it is to just invest in the stock with the whole thesis, the main thesis being, hey, this is gonna squeeze, because people from Wall Street bets are gonna talk about it and it's gonna be the next squeeze. Like, even Rowan finally talking about a squeeze. Sounds familiar. Is that like a hedge fund? Yeah, if I'm gonna get in on a stock just for a short squeeze, I'm not gonna hold anything after that. It's literally gonna be just a rip and then probably just sell half and ride the rest. AMC went from 59 to 58.33 just on one candle alone. GameStop doing the same thing with a double bottom at 208. I think every little like stock is falling. Meme stock, I guess you can say it. To what? Look at BlackBerry just pull on back. ALF, too slow. Wendy's, we don't know Wendy's. Come on, man. 12.20 for BlackBerry. That's a pretty ugly dip. AMC's at least already trying to bounce. Morning, Dapper. $60 reminds me so much of 9 and 14. I agree. It was more like we hit 14 for like a couple days and then we pulled on back, but it was trading sideways for so long, and the volume was just kind of pretty bad. But now everything's different. So if you guys want to keep a watch on that stock, FUV, ticker symbol FUV. Oh, I forgot about that. Let's take a look at Clover. That was another one. 13. Clover always does this. It pulls back and then it just starts to rip up. Do you guys notice this too? I feel like every time I take a look at Clover, it just is ripping up. But nonetheless, it's been on the downtrend since last Thursday when it hit $15. So these rips are getting shorter. I think people are just unloading the bags and just, I'm out. Interesting. I grabbed a bit of clover just cause. That's the best investment thesis. Just cause. Bitcoin futures. Man, I can't believe we did hit 28K. That shows, man, that people buy the dip on Bitcoin. The next time there's a crazy dip, I'm gonna load the boat. And I'm talking crazy, crazy dip. If maybe we'll see 20, 25K. What do you guys think? Is that too crazy of a dip? Look at this article from Bloomberg. US bankruptcy tracker. Artificial economy awaits fallout. Government giveaways stoke overblown economy. US sees three large corporate bankruptcies in latest week. Easy money policy and pandemic-driven government spending have created an artificially inflated economy that could lead to a massive boom in restructurings, according to Tom, a global head of restructuring at the law firm White and Case. We continue to see significant restructuring activity, particularly in the energy industry, travel-related services, pharmaceuticals, and in other sectors that are exposed to potential mass tort liability, said in an interview. But most importantly, the current economic climate is artificially inflated. And then I have to unlock for my free trial. I switched over from Bloomberg to Barron's. I like Barron's better. Bitcoin is going to 4K? Oh man, if it comes to 4K, I'm gonna sell the house, sell everything. I'm gonna live on the street for some time. I'll hold it till it recovers, man. Alrighty, AMC still back right around 59. Tesla's looking like it's gonna come back down. Oh, at least we hit 61. What an open though. GameStop needs to have a rip at open, man. I'm tired of seeing it pull back. But I was looking at this earlier on the daily. Let me move this here on this side really quick. Take a look at this. Pretty interesting, huh? On the daily, when we had that first initial rip to 350 when we ate the onion and they halted the stock and they dropped it, it kind of saw some resistance for quite some time, mid-March till like we ripped up in May, mid-May. Didn't really do too much, kind of traded sideways. Not a lot of things going on here. And then we ripped up above EMA again. So look at this. After we pulled back once again, we're just kind of trading under EMA, trading sideways. So if this is the case and history repeats itself, who knows? August, September, before we see another massive rip up above 300. I'm just kind of looking at it that way. What's like the next catalyst apart from earnings that can send this up? Mm, mm, mm. Oh, I have the consumer confidence today, I believe. Consumer confidence, 127.3 versus 117. Previous estimate 119. Highest since February of 2020. Come on, AMC. Still seeing resistance at EMA, guys. Look at the dollar. 92.1. Gold has been just getting slammed. These are gold futures. No, at this point we're just playing catch the support. Maybe $58 supports. I think that's a good support level, although I don't want to go to low 50s. I'd rather hold at 59 or 60, but I can't control the stock. Look at that GameStop push, 210. Come on, AMC. Yep, U.S. consumer confidence jumps to highest level since the Rona. To 1145. That's what I'm talking about. So on the 5 minute, our EMA is at 59.23. We're looking for a rip above 59.50s. The crayons are coming, baby. It just has to hold, man. Why is Safe Moon trending? Oh, yes, you're right. There is a Safe Moon wallet coming. The end of July? That's going to be a buy the rumor and sell the news. So we're still kind of getting slumped here, baby. We got to push. We got to rip. Mm-mm-mm. Biden says he may travel to Florida as early as Thursday in wake of Miami building collapse. How's Coinbase? 261. Damn, who bought at the low 200? We had hit 208. I remember this day. We had hit 208. We thought it was gonna crack under 200. Never did. It's coming back now. All those dip buys ARK did are paying off right now. Come on, AMC. What are you doing? Stop testing the lows. Ugh. I'm gonna create my own coin just for you, Staxela. Extreme Moon. What's the volume on AMC? Let's take a look. 24.2 million. Facebook is trending on Yahoo Finance, Neo, MS, Morgan Stanley, and these other stocks I'm not familiar with. I think he's busy. Uh, Rob's busy. Use the restroom really quick. Hopefully AMC bounces, but from the looks of it right now, I'm not gonna lie. I think it might retest the lows here at 58.40. I don't want to see that though, but I'll be right back. Alrighty, so AMC did pull back just like we expected. Not surprised, but again, not too disappointed. The fact that we did break above 60, we still have the potential at the price right now. This places us into yesterday's power hour, yesterday's market close. So let's just wait. Poop day so far. I mean, if you're just looking at AMC and GameStop, then I guess you can say, not the best compared to what the index is doing. Hit a new high again. But for those of you who aren't stuck in a stock 100%, you can take advantage of them. Other stocks. I had to go to court for once for extreme mooning. I should probably work on my macro homework. The homework's just pretty easy. Everything online just made everything so much easier. 58.10. Hold yourself, AMC. Damn. Dark flow. Market state. Still pulling back, testing 58, the low 58, so we did not want to see 57.94. Just cracked some stop losses right here at 58, guys. That's what it was too. That's why you got these like overextended candles, especially at these half dollars and whole number marks, just like 58. Tesla's coming back down. Is Nasdaq coming back down? Yes, Nasdaq is coming back down. 677 for Tesla. Yeah, GameStop's in a rut. It needs to get out of this. I think we've been trading too long at 210. I'd rather see 230s again. 230, 230 plus. I mean, when we were in Texas, we had hit 350 right around that level. There's that sympathy bounce here on AMC. On the 5 minute, we're looking oversold. We need to get back to 59. I think we could see a pretty decent recovery midday. Come on. Come on, baby. $58.38. Patriot Act is trending. I think that has to do with that Tucker guy. Apple just hit a brand new fresh high. Interesting because usually Apple is really tied obviously with Nasdaq, but today we're not really seeing that. I mean, it is pulling back now, but it just came off a new high. And Nasdaq is sinking. Tesla's cracking down with it. Facebook is also pulling back. Amazon just sold off here. Netflix just sold off here. Microsoft pulling back off the highs of 269. AMC trying to catch itself here at 58.37 still. We're waiting for a massive rebound still on AMC, guys. But interestingly enough, SPY's pulling back too. This is interesting. How's the Dow? Let's take a look at the Dow. Is the Dow the one that's green today? Barely. Hmm. Jesus. How do you have a realistic price bracket where you think AMC will go to? You're not. There's no such thing as a realistic price target if you're talking $400 to $800 level. That's not realistic at all. Anything can happen, man. Like, no, I didn't think AMC would have like hit 70 like that. But it just shows you what the madness of crowds can do. Like it hit it really fast. I'm not gonna lie. Like AMC could have gone to 100, $150, but Adam Aaron decided to poop on us. Like that's literally what happened. AMC was it was just a machine. It had closed at a new high. It gapped up and it opened at 70 pre-market. I'm like, this is going to 100 today, without a doubt. The volume, the momentum, the FOMO was there. You know, it had all the checklist was all checked up down the list, man. Everything was aligned, except things took a different route and whatnot. But he has a duty to raise capital for AMC. Like Robert mentioned, what if the virus comes back? What if they have to close down again? Now they have enough capital to last. You know, that's the way they're looking at that. They're not looking for. I don't think Adam Aaron is looking for a squeeze or. He doesn't have the mindset we do. You know, guys. This guy went to Harvard and he's way older than us, and you know, he's he he struggled to also have that shift to look into Reddit, to start being more active on Twitter, to give props to the people who saved the company because he didn't give props to the people who saved his company. He didn't. It took him a while. If you were here since December, January, you'll know that for sure. It took him a while. He still did it though, but gotta give credit where it's due. But AMC is one that it's gonna be very hard to predict because it's not like other meme stocks like torch lights, ALF, in which come down really aggressively after their spikes. And ALF is doing the same thing right now. It's pulling back. Like other stocks like Sundial that hit $4 comes down like this. Look at this. So AMC's not doing that. AMC's holding near here. So that says something. That there's people buying the dip. There's demand there. Charles Payne for CEO. If you guys haven't seen the Charles Payne and Portnoy interview from Friday, I believe, you guys gotta watch that. What's going on, Michael Riley? Welcome back. It's been a minute. Some news on the SEC side: AMC 13 days for hedge funds to close naked short positions. Some discrepancy: 13 or 7 unknown. It's hard to believe anything that comes with the SEC and like naked shorts and dark pools and dates, and they're gonna have to cover by this. They're gonna have to report. I'm just gonna I'll acknowledge it. I'll read it. I'll be like, okay, but then I won't put my faith in it. I'll just acknowledge it's there and just take it day by day and candle by candle on AMC. It's like if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, then I'm not disappointed because I didn't get my hopes up. So there's just too much shadiness going on. Compost, what's going on? Good morning, Ralph. Good morning. So this morning, CCIV wanted to buy back our shares at $10. We use Fidelity to buy our stocks. Is this common? Because no way am I selling because I bought CCIV. I have the same price as you, buddy. I bought it at actually $1 higher, CCIV. This one was actually recovering, so I was making back some of the loss on this one, but I don't plan to sell anything. This is one I told myself I'm just going to hold long term. I don't care. If it goes bankrupt and they flop and they don't have any vehicles and they don't sell, then it is what it is, But this is one I plan to just hold long term. And maybe Tesla sees some competition. I mean, Peter Rawlinson, the CEO, was actually the engineer at Tesla in 2012 when the Model S came out initially. So there's potential there. But to buy up here at 64 in the valuation when they have no production, that's completely bonkers. I don't know what people thought buying up here. And they still don't have any production. Even though last year, when I was checking the stock, they said spring 2021. And still nothing. AMC is still seeing resistance at the EMA. So when I mean EMA resistance, I'm talking this, the blue line. So usually when we see a reversal, in this case it would have been like at 59, 20, 59, plus 59. As of now, we're kind of still trying to find supports, and hopefully that support is right around 58. Jordan Belfort tweeted a minute ago, patience. Yeah, Michael Riley Viacom did really, really well. This is the one that's outperforming, I believe, Discovery. On the daily, my alert went off yesterday at around 44. This one's already curling back up. Since March, we were watching this stock and it did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. Discovery is the one that kind of flopped. What was the other one? Baidu, right? That tanked with due to Archegos and Bill Wang. This one's at 203. Hmm. There's that rip. Let's go. We're talking a 59 push. Let this be it. Staxlaw, you sold Viacom, right? You were holding Viacom for too long. $58.79. Let this be the 59 push, baby. Let's go. Let's go to 59 and then 60 again. It's gonna take some time, but the key here is again support levels. Let's hold support levels. Holding at 58, 59. It's amazing. IIHS says topped safety pick plus extended to all 2021 Tesla Model 3s. How about when no one is driving? I think that just caused a Tesla spike right here. UBS adjusts Tesla's price target to 660 from 730 as China demand momentum slows. YouTuber says, what? I need to see this video. YouTuber says he sent actual Dogecoin to space in celebration of Elon Musk's birthday. What a time to be alive to see a headline like this. Where's that video? I need to see the video. YouTuber Reed Williamson. William! Is William still here? William still has to be here. William is always talking about Dogecoin. I'm telling you, we live in a simulation. This is probably William from the chat from here. William, are you sending Dogecoin to space? You held the icon for 2 months at 47. Let me see. How's it? Williamson. Morning, hello. Oh, but he doesn't have a camera on the balloon. Oh, he does actually. There we go. YouTube doesn't have you up on my list. I think they're blackballing you. They've been hiding my channel for months. Months. This is nothing new. All right. This is like the last video we're gonna take a look at. Wait a minute, guys. Give me a second. We'll end it with this video.
It's in the cloud now. Uh-oh, that bird's going for it.
One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind.
The earth is flat, I'm telling you.
So, just went to...
Oh, is it?
Where is this? Barton Creek. We're headed out to Fredericksburg?
Dun 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 dun. All right, what a time to end it. GameStop recovering once again at 211. AMC, we're seeing that push like we wanted to 59. Why 59? What does this even matter? 59, is it the, yes, it is the 5-minute EMA, usually where we see some resistance before a breakout or a rejection and it pulls on back to like 58.50. Find support, but as of now, it's doing pretty darn well. It's doing well on the recovery. So we had a, what, 58 bounce, 58 supports. We're still close to 59. You know, in the 1 minute, we're looking pretty good for a recovery. What's going on, Marantz? Go check out Marantz's channel, guys. He'll be live in 30 minutes. The show goes on. There's always somebody else to watch. So I finish, he starts, he finishes, there's somebody else. That's always nice and great to have different insights and different analysis, different opinions. Bitcoin's doing really, really well, by the way. So we'll end it here. 59. There, we hit 59. What a beautiful time to end it. All right, guys. How did you know it was in Texas? Oh, Pam. Don't tell me you were able to recognize the highways and whatnot, the territory. Alrighty. We're gonna end it here. I'm gonna plug in the free Discord. I'm just in there answering questions and whatnot. Come chat with the community. What a beautiful time. Look at this AMC ripping up over 59. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream.